how to make and create logo on Canva PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so easy and simple. Go to canva.com and log into your account. Now click on create a design and search for logo. Click on the first option, it will take you to this page. Now go right here and scroll down all the way down until you find logo. And now, as you can see, here is the logo right here. Just keep scrolling, or you can search for it if you didn't find it in the top here. And here is it. Now click on see all and choose a template, for example this one, and you can edit everything. After you finish, click share and download. Don't forget to like and subscribe.